thrilled to unveil the ultimate, all-in-one home entertainment system. The one with the power to create experiences that look and feel like nothing else. The one that makes your TV more intelligent. The one system for a new generation. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing Xbox One.
What is it? New Xbox? Whoa. Sweet. Sweet. What? Is this all it is? The announcement. Whoa.
This is it, Xbox One.